Hello everyone, this is Ida. Today I will show you our TD101 calling system. And this one is very popular at this time. It is widely used in a restaurant, in the bank, or the hospital. You can use our system to call the guests or the patients to tell them this is their turn. And as you can see, this is the keypad. And the number is from 1 to 0 to 9, and so you can call the numbers from 1 to 999. And this is the previous key. This is the next key, such as when you call the number 2, and you can press this key to call the number 3. And this is the set key. I will show you how to change the ID of the keypad later. And this is a call key, this is a back key. And this is the display, and as you can see, there are 2 speakers in this system, so the sound is very loud. You can use it in a very large area. And this is a screen. As you can see, it will shoot 3 numbers on the display. It is LED display. And I will show you the sound. You can make the choice to whether you want to use it or not in your working place. I will press the number and press call.
9. Please take the meal. 9. Please take the meal. 9. Please take the meal.
For the voice display, you can choose the type by yourself. There are 9 types. I will show you how to set it by yourself. And now I will show you the sound. Wait one please. Back to the home page.
Volume plus. Volume plus.
This is for the 3 levels. There are 10 levels. You can check the sound.
Volume plus. Volume plus.
Very loud. You can use it in a very large place for your business.
Volume plus.
This 6 very large.
Volume plus. Volume plus. Volume plus. Volume plus.
Volume plus. There are 10 levels, so you can choose the sound by yourself based on the working place. So I will change it to the lower. The voice is so loud.
Volume reduction. Volume plus.
I choose the level 1, level 2, and also for the adapter, you can see. This is for the keypad adapter. So once you receive it, please check it carefully and then connect it with the right one, or you may damage the system. Okay, it is a simple shoe for our TD101 calling system, so you can make your choice to buy it or not. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me at support@retekess.com or visit our website www.retekess.com. We will be having for a message. Bye.